What is up, guys? It is Captain Muddy here at Captain Muddy Games, opening up two more Unified Hidden Fates. Why am I thinking Unified Minds? Hidden Fates tins. We got Charizard and Raichu. So we're just gonna go right into this. I'm too stoked to see what's inside of these. Some great pulls I've been hearing about. If you watched my last Hidden Fates video, you will know that I pulled two out of the three of my most wanted cards. Mine personally. You know what? Yeah. I think this belongs to you guys. I already got the one from the last 10. But here is that beautiful Raichu GX promo card, centering a little bit to be desired, but it is a promo, so it's to be expected. So we're going to take the tin, put it off to the side, and we got our 4 Hidden Fates packs right here. So let's start it off with Mew. Good old Mew. Alright. Here is your code card. Enjoy. Alright, so today's video is brought to you in part by Leaf Energy. Leaf Spring. Well, I should say fall. Fall is coming, so hopefully this is a good sign. We got Misty's Gym, Chansey, Giovanni, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, Eevee, Ekans, Reverse Clefairy, and we got a Holo Rare Vaporeon. Awesome. Love the artwork on these cards. Vaporeon, you get a sleeve and you get to go, not with the GXs, but right there on your own little path. Right there. Oh, next artwork is Mewtwo. So here you go. Here is that code card. Enjoy. Hope y'all are having a good day. Hope you're enjoying the new card set. Jynx Yomiacoke, Graveler, Farfetch'd, Paris, Psyduck, Charmander, another Magikarp, Slowpoke, a Reverse Coughing, and an Ekans Rare. On to the triple birds here. I don't know why I was going to say deuce. That's just triple 3 and 2. Okay. Anyways, code card. Enjoy. 4 to the front. Ooh, I don't know. That back card. Dark Energy, Giovanni, another Koga, Brock Gym, Paris, Charmander, Clefairy, Slowpoke, Magikarp, Reverse Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, and hey, Bill. Bill, what are you doing? So this tin's not looking too hot. Not like the last set of tins. But that's how it goes. Code card. Alright. Fire. Hopefully then we get some fire pulls. Ooh. I already saw the shiny shine. Jynx Yomiacoke, Charmeleon, Chansey, Jigglypuff, Eevee, Caterpie, Paris, Ekans, Sabrina's Suggestion, and we got another full art Articuno. Sorry, Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno. Yeah. I can talk. I can pronounce words. I swear. So, that is the second one I pulled so far out of the set. And it looks like that's the last one for that tin. So, we're going to get into this second tin. The Charizard tin. Here is the Charizard promo. Looking pretty nice. Here's the code card on this one. Charizard GX looking pretty awesome. Hey, the centering's not too bad on this one. And my sleeves are stuck. They're sticking together. So you get the GX spot up there, buddy. Okay. Last 4 packs of this video. You know what? We're gonna shuffle duffle them. All right. Looks like we're starting with Mew. And get right into that. Okay. Here's your code card. And let's do this. We got Fighting, Metapod, Sabrina, Charmeleon, Eevee, Ekans, Paris, Caterpie, Charmander, Mew, which is the first one I pulled, and a Raichu GX. Awesome. Awesome pull. So now we have the promo and the real. I don't know. They're both real, but the actual Raichu GX. So you're going to get the GX slot up there. Next is Mewtwo. My favorite Pokemon. I'll say it in every video. I've ever since the beginning, I have been a Mewtwo fan. Code card. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Pokemon? Or what's your favorite pull out of this set? What have you pulled out of the set? You know, did you get the shiny Charizard? Because I sure haven't. Clefairy. Cubone. Hey, that's a good change up. Snorlax sleeping on the job, reverse rare. And a Mew regular rare. Next up is Charizard. Oh, we only got one more pack after this, guys. So here is your code card. All right. Fairy Energy, magic, give me some magic in this pack. Jinx Yomiya Pokemon Lady, Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, I keep wanting to say reverse, but a shiny Wimpod and a full art Giovanni's Exile. Yes, that is awesome. That goes with my Jesse and James. Team Rocket blasting into this deck right here. That is beautiful, beautiful card. That'll go with the Jesse and James I pulled in the last video. We got our shiny Wimpod. Yeah, you go up in the shinies. That's the only shiny we pulled? Okay. Hey, I'll take it, though. I will definitely take it. Last but not least, the 3 birds. The birds. Bird is the word. Okay. Hoping for some last pack magic, as they say. Charmeleon, Chansey, Brock, Slowpoke, Psyduck, Clefairy, Magikarp, Ekans. Ooh, a Fighting Energy. I really do like these shiny looking energies. They are really awesome. Weezing, and that's it. How anticlimactic. But that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, just scroll down, subscribe. It takes 2 seconds. It's free. Hit the notification bell. I give away the code cards. You want code cards, you want to get notified when I post. I'm going to start trying to post every Saturday at 10, around 10 p.m. on Saturdays. While I'm doing that, I might as well sleeve this up. But yes, so until next week, have a good day, guys.